here we go.
Tomorrow I do my wallet.
Are you sure? Because
Make some money at the credit card. I'm not making a whole wallet.
yeah,
It hurts to sit over there.
yeah, you're gonna realize that this coaster has a bit of a unique start. See?
Yeah.
Woo! Still a wooden coaster. Arms up. That was a good ride.
Yeah, it was, except for the headbanging.
With my elbow.
Yes.
That's on me, sorry. That was insane. And I was always waiting for that really strong jolt, but it never came.
Yeah.
I mean, it was a wooden coaster, but it wasn't rough. It was classic. Oh, that was intense too.
Huh?
It was intense too.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, lightning ride is about airtime. This is about laterals.
Yeah.
So, all right.
We did get a little airtime.
Yeah, there were pops here and there for sure.
Huh?
There were definitely pops here and there.